How to make a grass field with geometry nodes in Blender. Download any grass model. Add plane and subdivide by 15. Add a displacement modifier. Add new material. Switch to clouds. Increase scale to 0.93. Add a subdivision surface modifier. Add a distribute points on faces. Then add instance on points. Add a join geometry node. Then connect to group input. Add white noise texture, then connect to scale. Connect to rotation. Add math node and switch to multiply. Move the collection with grass. Connect instance. With distribute points on faces, you can adjust density. Math node will help change the scale. Enjoy! Our complete Blender course available on Gumroad.